That's interesting. So if you look at that, the little plastic thing, there's actually gold in here. This is surprising. Like gold little, I don't know what you'd call these, but contacts, I guess. But it's funny because it kind of looks like a board of some sort. Anyway, so yeah, there's gold contacts on this. That's nice to see, actually. And then on the actual board, you get some more gold here. You got some monolithic capacitors, an IC chip. This is, I'm not sure what this is. And take this out. Oh, there you go. We found what happened to my car. My car panel. So this one here doesn't have any gold in it like the other ones, but like you can see, there's corrosion. So this is what made my car not work anymore, and what made my car lock on its own and open on its own. So that's pretty cool to see. So let's take this out and see what there is. So hunk of plastic, some pins here that connect the wiring and stuff. So there's nothing, can't say there's anything too exciting. I guess this would be a green board on its own. So I think green board's around 80 cents or something. Let me check it out on Board Sort. I have a computer here that I'm updating for my kids so they could play Minecraft. Let's see what Board Sort has to say. Welcome to Board Sort. Let's see here. Getting on to Board Sort. So like I was saying, switches, there's no real switches here. It's all like mechanical and stuff. So there's no silver or anything. It's just a hunk of plastic. So payout rates, green board, auto board, mid-grade. So pretty much a mid-grade board. Nothing too exciting, maybe even low grade. But low grade, they usually keep it for the brown boards, like old school power supplies and stuff like that.